Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and we're just doing a final wrap up here on our building a shed video. You can see the shed right beside me. We're all completed at this point, and we thought we'd throw in one last video just to go over a few little points and show you the completed project. So you've, I'm sure, watched all the other videos in this series. We started out with one that described building and leveling the floor, so we did that to start with. That was all done out of pressure treated lumber. Then our next one we did framing the walls and standing them. So we got them all up, sheeted, stood them up, and joined them together. Next we went to cutting and installing the rafters. So we hand cut 6 rafters in this case, and I tried my best to explain how to figure that out mathematically so that you could hopefully design your own rafters for whatever size shed you had. You can see we just did the gable style roof. Then in between time, also you will have noticed some other things were progressing kind of off camera, as far as the soffit and fascia were completed, and the vinyl siding as well was completed, but not actually included in the video series. And the reason for that is we do have separate videos already covering those topics. So you can check that out on our YouTube channel to find them as well if you're curious. Some little extras that I did would be I added the metal flashing around the door jamb as well, so that we try to reduce as much wood as possible being exposed to elements. One of our other videos we installed this door, and we also did the metal roofing up top. You may not typically use metal roof on a shed, but in this case that's what we were doing. So we did the door install, and you can see the finished product inside as well. One thing that I kind of forgot to show in the video when we were doing the rafters, and I've added it in after, is the gusset plates, which is the OSB wood that you see up there that's helping to join the rafters together. And I've applied one on each side, screwed and glued, and these just give a little more support to the rafters themselves. I absolutely forgot to show that when we were doing it, and I apologize for that, but as you can see here, I just simply cut some triangular pieces, notched out around the ridge beam, and like I said, screwed and glued them on to both sides. So that just gives a little more strength for snow load, and if you're walking around up there or whatever. Improves the longevity of your shed. So nothing spectacular on the inside. You can see just some basic 2x4 framing, OSB sheeting. We're framed 16 inches on center, which you wouldn't have to do. I tend to, most people would say, overdo some things, but it's all completed at this point and ready to move. So I think that really wraps up what we've been trying to do with our shed project. Show you as many of the different aspects in building a shed as we could, and try to package them all into a series that can be helpful to you, the DIYer. We'll wrap up our series here now. If you have any comments on this, you can feel free to go to our forum and make the comment there. We're also going to be including on our website a page with some material lists and that sort of things specifically for this project. So if you go to house-improvements.com/shed, that will link you through to where you'll actually find all the videos again, and you'll find some other information and a little bit of a write-up about the shed itself. So thank you for watching, and hope to have you come back and watch our next project.